Cut the rainwater downtake pipe and fix T-joint. Fix flush valve at the end of the pipe from T-joint. Connect other end of T-joint with the inlet of the filter using pipe. Ensure proper level of filter using a spirit level. Mark 4 points on the wall and drill holes. And fix the filter using 4 screws. Place filter element 2 in the space of clean water outlet. Place curved filter element 1 in the unit. Mount transparent lid on 2 knobs of unit. Use PVC pipe of 4-inch diameter and 6 kg strength to connect clean water outlet of filter to casing pipe of borewell or tank. Your Neerain is ready to save fresh rainwater for you.